Have you ever tried to speak English but not able to speak English? You know very well grammars, vocabulary, sentence structure, but still you are not able to speak English. If your answer is yes, then you are on the right video. Many people felt lack of confidence while talking, even though they know the grammar rules, vocabulary parts, sentence form, sentence structure, everything they know, but still they are not able to speak English just because of confidence. So, in this video, I am going to share with you some tips that help you to speak English confidently. So, in this video, I am going to talk about how to speak English confidently. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mainaurenglish. Today, I am going to share with you some basic tips or simple ideas that help me a lot to speak English confidently. If you follow this process, you will get success. So let's get started. Confidence comes from practice, not from any other techniques. Like you want to build your confidence in English speaking, then you have to practice a lot of English speaking. Even though if anyone wants to speak English, they have to practice a lot of things. Like if you do not practice English, you are not able to speak English. You may be know the full grammars, parts, and everything, but you can't speak until you did not try to speak. So the first and foremost step is start speaking every day. You can't miss any day. You have to practice every day at giving to the priority. And the second thing is many people are not able to speak English just because of fear. They afraid of making mistakes. Like they feel that if I am wrong, people will make me fun of me. What others will think about me. I am doing wrong things. These things are coming in your minds, and these things are stopping you to speak English. So avoid these things and try to speak English every day because you are not able to control the people's opinion. You can control only yourself. So try to control yourself and try to speak daily English so that after sometimes your fear went down. And the second thing is, oh sorry, the third thing is people are busy in comparing to others. You don't have you don't have to compare with others. Like he is speaking well, but why I am not able to speak well? If you are thinking in this manner, you are on a wrong track. Yes, you listen correctly. If you comparing with others, you are not able to get success. Let me tell you why I am telling you that. Because every person has individual quality and every person has different mindset and every person has different knowledge perspective. So if you are comparing with others, you feel maybe that I am not good, I am not perfect, but seriously these things are not working. You have to avoid to comparing yourself from others. And one more thing, you want to compare you, then compare with yourself, like how you are on day one and after day seven, how you become. compared with yourself, not others. You can compare your English speaking practice, like what I achieve in 1 day, what I achieve in 15 days, what I achieve in 1 month. In this way, if you comparing with yourself, you are able to know that what are the problems you are facing while talking and what are the mistakes you are done in speaking. So try to compare yourself with yourself, not from others. And the fourth thing is people give excuses that I am not well today, today is bad day, so I am not able to speak English, I am not able to practice English. These excuses are doesn't matter. If you want to learn English and if you want to speak English, you have to speak English at any cost. Un- until you sorry, until you get fluent in English, you have to practice lot and lot. So please try to speak English from now, not from tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. I also have a problem that I I am I will do tomorrow. I will do from tomorrow. These things, these habits will killing me that time. After that, I take a serious challenge that if I doing these things, my life gets ruined. That's why I take a challenge for English speaking journey and daily basis regularly English practice. And I am practicing English every day. So if you are not able to do the daily practice, you can take a challenge and try to speak English every day. Now I am going to share with you my personal experience. Even though I am not able to speak English, that's why I take a challenge that I will speak English every day and I follow these methods and I get confidence in speaking English. So if you want to speak English confidently, follow these steps. Speak every day and don't compare with others. Believe in yourself and try to overcome all the problems and you will achieve success in communication. So that's it for today, guys. See you in next video.